Hi there, my name is Katinka. I'm the seamstress at the cottage and welcome back. Today we're having a fun one. I am going to talk about this McCall's 7696 dress. I know everyone and their dog has made this dress before, but it is such a comfortable, easy dress that I'm actually going to make another one. For those of you who haven't seen the pattern, this is the pattern. I'm doing a collaboration with Laura from Sewing Up Style. She's from the US and I think she lives in Utah. And she has made it over there and I've made it over here. And we are going to release our videos at the same time. So I will pop in some photos of her dress at the end of my video. And we both are going to do a pattern review of this McCall's 7969. I taped the process as I was making it and I'm now going to insert that part of the video. I'll see you at the end to chat more about the pattern. I want to use the back of this duvet for the dress. This McCall's 7969. And I think I want to make the knee length one without the frill. The dress in that duvet cover, McCall's 7969, and I'm going to make A. One thing I've been struggling with is not to have all my cottons. I will be using white and then afterwards I'll do my top stitching in that cream color. I've decided I'm going to tape the process because I want to see how long it takes me to make this dress. When you pull in for gathers, pull everything in completely like this, because then you can even it out to fit where it needs to fit, but it gives you very even gathers so you don't struggle to get them even. I am up to this point. The binding is on. I still need to do the binding for that sleeve. And then I can go and iron, and we are standing on 48 minutes, 43 seconds and 37 whatever. So I'm going to take a quick break and then I'll come and resume my work. I'm back and let's start. Done the top stitching and I now pinned the front together. I'm going to gather the front piece and the back piece to the back because I want to keep the side seams open so I can put the pockets in before I sew them all closed. This pattern didn't come with pockets, so I just cut my own pockets, which I will add to the side seams after I've pinned it and sewed it together. And I will now gather the front and the back pieces and then pin them onto the bodice front and the bodice back. And this is where we are for time. I'm standing on 1 hour and 18 minutes. So that's where we are. And this is the time I'm going to stop. I'll continue with that tomorrow morning for the rest of the dress. So I still need to do the binding around the sleeves. I need to sew the pockets close and overlock them. Overlock the hem and sew it in, and then it's done. Good morning. I actually slept in for the first time in days, and it was so nice. So I've got my coffee, still in my pajamas, but I'm quickly going to finish that dress. It's hanging behind me on that hanger. Still have to make my bed, but I'll do that when I'm done. But let me show you where we were on time. So that's where I called it a night at 9:45 last night. So let's resume and finish it. Stop the clock. It's done. I just need to iron it, and I'm gonna wear it today. It came out so nice. For the conclusion, I really loved making this pattern. It's a very easy pattern to make. You might have a problem with the bias binding if you haven't done that before, but the instructions are very clear, and the bias binding guide that you can cut out is exact. If you cut it out and you fit it on your dress and you line up the pattern markings, you shouldn't have any problem. I loved it so much that I actually am going to make another one. I'm thinking of doing A with maybe the skirt length. A friend gave me this beautiful Liberty fabric. It's a cotton cord. It's got a very fine cord in it, so it's more for like an autumn winter fabric, and it's perfect because the weather over here has not really warmed up yet. I put my dress on, but I'm almost chilly as I'm sitting here. Laura said she also loved making it, and she also found it really easy. I will now pop in some photos of both of us wearing it, and please go over to her channel and follow her if you're not following her already, and give her a like, because she's really so good at what she does. As I said when we started, I love the fact that she's not afraid to make men's clothing. I've spoken to a lot of sewers through the years, and a lot of them don't even look in that direction, and she's got no qualm to actually make pants with welt pockets and button-up shirts, coats for her husband, but she also does some beautiful things for herself. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I would love it if you come along and join this family, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.